The 10 is the most self-absorbed, self-involved, selfish gate in the body graph. Okay, it's the gate of behavior. So when you're looking at this, this is somebody who is designed by nature to be all about themselves. I have this woman behind just pointing at me. It's about me, myself, and I, nobody else. Now that can change the moment that you see a 28 or a 38 or the whole channel. Because now all of a sudden, this person's integration, in and of itself, it's not mutative of others. But the moment you have a 28 or a 38 or the whole channel, now this energy in that individual is able to mutate others. When we talk about individuality as a circuitry, it's about mutation. Okay, mutation. Integration is not mutative. That's the other main difference. Okay, so integration is about self, me, myself, and I, and it's also about self-empowerment, and it's not mutative unless you have that 28, that 38, or the whole channel. Okay, that's the main, most practical thing I can highlight for you to take away if you're trying to learn how to analyze a chart.